All right, we're packing up, getting ready to go to Sturgis, and I thought I'd do a video on how we pack the motorcycle and what we pack. So as of today, we do not have a motorcycle trailer that we pull behind it. We probably will for Route 66, but right now we don't. So all of this is going to go in the bike and still be under what Harley says the weight allowance is. So we'll start over here. So in the saddlebags, and keep in mind, this is for like a 4.5 day trip up to Sturgis, and we'll be in Sturgis for about 10 days, and then another 3 to 4 day trip coming back. So this is my husband's clothes. He's taking 2 pair of jeans, rain suit, 2 t-shirts, 2 button-up shirts, 4 underwear, 4 socks, in addition to the clothes that he will be wearing on the day out, which is a t-shirt and blue jeans. So he'll actually have 3 t-shirts, 3 blue jeans. So that's going in his saddlebag. And then mine is my rain gear, 2 nicer shirts, if you will. They have Ripsol in them, but they're not like, they don't have graphics or anything. And then like 2 tank tops and 2 bralettes, a pair of like leather looking leggings, 1 pair of shorts, 2 pair of pants, in addition to the pants and shirt that I will be wearing out there. So I'll actually have 3 pairs of pants that I'm taking, 4 underwear, 4 socks. I'm also carrying the laundry bag on my side. All right, moving on, we will do the inside of the, what's it technically called? The luggage carrier, the luggage touring pack. Thank you. Inside the touring pack, we are keeping our riding jackets, my little purse that I'm taking, so in here, in this orange thing, it's kind of big, kind of heavy, but it's my professional camera gear. Our electronics bag, which is this, some sunblock, some our toilet bag, like if we have to stop on the side of the road. First aid kit. We both do geocaching, so I do have some geocaching stuff we're taking. And hand sanitizer. So all of that goes inside the touring pack. Now on the outside of the touring pack, on the luggage rack, we will have our overnight bag. And in our overnight bag, we are going to have heating pad, our workout clothes, because we do plan to go to the gym that's in the hotel in the mornings, just because we go to the gym here. My night clothes, he swears he doesn't want any. And then our, my headbands and stuff, and his skull cap, some flip-flops for me, his CPAP, and then of course all of our toiletries and our tennis shoes for working out will go in there. Will go in this bag, and that will get strapped to the top. Okay, so I will also put a list of everything that we're taking on the blog, so I'll make sure to link that in the description. But now let's go pack it so I can show you what it looks like all packed. All right, so here's how I pack the bike. This side is his side. I actually changed some things up. So in addition to our clothes, I'm going to go ahead and put our tennis shoes and our riding jacket in each one of our compartments, each of the saddlebags, just to help even out the weight more and keep the weight more down than up. And then I don't have it up here, but the the duffel bag goes there. And of course we have some netting to strap it down. And then just inside, I put the camera bag right in the middle for center of gravity type of deal. And then surrounded it kind of weight distribution on each side to make it a little even. And then on my side is actually packed, ready to go. So, yeah, that's everything, and that'll do us. Of course, when we get there, we'll get some like laundry soap and shampoo and, you know, the bigger size shampoos other than travel and all that kind of stuff. But, and then we also have right here, we usually keep his wallet right there. I have a, this goes around my neck, holds my phone so I can video. And then we have his puck and some charging cables in there. And then we also, on each side of the saddlebag, we have a water bottle holder right here. And then you lift this and we can put some snacks right there. And then we each have a water bottle holder right there. He doesn't ever use that crap. I think he puts his phone in there. And then we have a GoPro right here. I think we're going to get an Insta360 camera this time around. I think will be kind of cool to have. But, yep. So, there it is. Bike's ready to go.